Locked out of WhatsApp because that pesky verification code just won't show up? Don't worry, we're diving into proven solutions right now. First, the obvious but essential double-check that the phone number you entered is absolutely correct. Even a single digit off can send that code into the digital abyss. Tap the edit button and confirm every number. Next, let's make sure WhatsApp has the permission it needs to send you SMS messages. Head into your phone settings, find Apps or Application Manager. Then locate WhatsApp, tap Permissions, and ensure SMS permission is toggled on. This is crucial for receiving the code. Now, a quick network refresh. Toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the mobile network, which can sometimes kickstart a delayed SMS. Incorrect date and time settings can also interfere with verification. Go to your phone settings, find date and time, and make sure it's set to automatic or manually adjust it to the correct time zone. Still no luck? It's time to reach out to WhatsApp support directly. Visit their help center through your browser. Search for verification issues and follow their instructions for submitting a support request. They can provide personalized assistance. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be back to messaging in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful WhatsApp tips and tricks.